Oh, relax. Can you hear that? Sound of cuckoos and birds. So yeah, I'm doing some bird photography today, which can be the most rewarding and the most frustrating form of photography. I've done all types of photography, but I'd say bird photography is the most difficult. Like this morning I've come out really early and I haven't seen much. It's like fishing. Some days you can catch fish, some days you can't. And today is just a frustrating day. But when you get a good day and you get some good shots, it's really, really rewarding. There's some jewelry and red stars flying around me here. Sod's law, as soon as I put my camera down, they come out. And this camera is so frustrating. I got the XT30 because that's all I can afford with the 70 to 30. Woo! 70 to 30, 70 to 300. But the 300 is just not enough. I need the 600, but I can't afford it. I've got a kid and a wife to feed, you know. So yeah, it is a bit slow, the focusing. But when you get a good shot, it is great. And total respect to all you bird photographers out there. And if you haven't tried bird photography, go out and do it. See how rewarding it is and how frustrating it is. Okay, like and maybe subscribe if you want to. It would be good.